In this video, I'm going to show you how to download VMware Fusion and VMware Workstation. You're going to need a Broadcom account. It can be cumbersome to fumble around the Broadcom website, so we're going to take care of that. So VMware Fusion and VMware Workstation are completely free for any purpose, commercial, enterprise, etc., and no license key is required. I'm going to be demonstrating getting VMware Fusion with a Mac. If you're on Windows or Linux, it's going to be the same process. Go to a web browser and we search for VMware Fusion. So over here, we're going to click on Fusion and Workstation, and we're going to say download now. And it's going to take us over to the Broadcom website where we need to log in with our information. I don't have an account yet, so I'm going to go over to the upper right and click login and register. And that's going to open up a new tab, and we're going to enter our email address. We're going to have to interpret this image and get the letters. Click next. And that email account is going to get a access code. So we're going to verify and continue. And we're going to go through these fields here. We're going to click on create account after we have all this information. So the screen here, I'm going to choose I'll do it later. We're going to click on products up in the top menu. Then we're going to click on the VMware products page. We're going to scroll down to the Fusion and Workstation tab. This takes us back to our original page, and we're going to click download now. We're going to enter our recent username and password. We can go through the My Dashboard if you would like. All right, so over here, we're going to click on My Downloads. And then we have the inside of this blue box, we're going to free software downloads available here. So we're going to click that. And we're going to scroll down. Here is VMware Fusion. And for the Windows and Linux users, at the very bottom is VMware Workstation Pro. So we're going to click our product. I want to expand the 25H2. And I'm going to pick update number 1. So this check mark, you're not able to select it until you acknowledge the terms of agreement. Well, in order to do that, you actually have to read it. So we're going to click on this. It's going to open a new tab. And now we can come back and toggle that option. And we're going to choose this download icon. So prior to the download, some additional verification is required. So we're going to choose yes to proceed. We're going to have to enter our address and click on submit. All right, so we got a green box that says that the account verification was successful, and then it erased all of our info in the boxes. So we're going to wait a little bit. We're going to wait for the page to reload itself. And we're going to go back down and click the download icon. And we're going to choose allow. Now that the file is downloaded, we're going to check the verification against its hash, and we're going to make sure that it is fully downloaded and complete. So we're going to click on apps, and we're going to start typing out terminal. On my Mac, I don't have a SHA-2 application in order to determine the hash. So I'm going to do MD5 and then sum. We're going to tell it where the file is. It's in my downloads directory, and I know that it's called VMware Fusion. I was in the directory earlier because I just looked at the name, but you can also do that in you can also open Finder and drag drop. But once you get the name punched in, we're going to hit enter, and it's going to hash it. Now because there's so many characters here, usually what I like to do is take the first 4 and the last 4. So I can see 6309, 6309, what is this, 17 Bravo 6, and so forth. So we have a complete file, so we're going to exit out of our terminal and go into downloads, click on that, double click to install. It's going to warn us because we got it on the internet, so I'm going to choose open. And we're going to punch in the admin password of the laptop I'm on. We're going to agree to the license agreement. Hit OK. And I'm going to choose Open System Settings. I'm going to toggle the option for VMware Fusion. We're going to get rid of this accessibility screen there. And we can verify our version is 25H2U1. I'm going to install a virtual machine at a later time, so I'm actually going to close this. And this install wizard, we're going to jump over to Finder real fast, and we're going to get it uninstalled. So we're going to go over to the Finder window, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and this little icon for the VMware Fusion, we're just going to click on eject. And that's how you download VMware Fusion and Workstation, as well as create a Broadcom account. Hope you found that useful. Thank you for watching. Take care.